Hello everyone, today I'm going to make Play-Doh. So these are the ingredients we need. 5 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 4 teaspoons of cream tartar. So this is the one I use. And half cup of cooking oil. But we still need 4.5 cup of water and any food coloring you like. So right now I'm going to do it. The first step is put all the ingredients together, mix them well. Let's get the boiled water. So I will put the food coloring first to the oil. And then add half cup of water into the oil. And mix it well. Maybe I get more coloring. Okay, just pour it here. And then add 4 more cups of boiled water into the measuring cup. Okay, that's all we need. Okay, I will stir it hardly. I think it's good. So you can see all the flakes of the powder all dissolved. Let's see. See? This is my nice Play-Doh. So I will put it into a Ziploc bag. So leave it open until it cools down.